Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So on the 20th of March, which was last week Friday as I posted, Microsoft's head of Windows, Pavan Davaluri, made a major announcement about how Microsoft is going to be fixing Windows 11 throughout the course of this year, 2026. I'll leave the video for that link down below and in the end screen if you'd like some more information. And obviously with an announcement like this, due to the trust that Microsoft has lost with its user base, there are users who are saying, will Microsoft live up to its commitments or put its money where its mouth is? I've even done a poll on this where I asked the question, so do you think Microsoft will follow through on these promises? And 61% of you said you'll believe it when you see it, which is understandable because Microsoft in the past has said one thing and another thing happens. Now, because of this, and if you are wondering when these new improvements are going to be rolling out to the general public on Windows 11, then I may have a bit of information that's come to the fore. Because the original blog post for the announcement, if we head over to that, was to Windows insiders. And Microsoft said, here are some of the initial changes we will preview in builds with Windows insiders this month and throughout April. But that's specifically aimed at Windows insiders, not the general public. And if we scroll down quickly to this section, Microsoft says you can expect to see tangible progress that you'll be able to feel as you preview builds from us throughout the rest of the year. So this original announcement was for insiders. So basically starting in March, and that's correct because the new feedback hub that Microsoft announced has already made its way into the insider program. I have posted on that. I think I posted a video on that yesterday. But that's to Windows insiders. Now, the information that's come to light is if we head over to X, Scott Hanselman is Vice President and member of the technical staff over at Microsoft, has given us another important detail as to when these updates are going to be rolling out and these improvements are going to be rolling out to the general public. And a question was asked, when will we see first changes? For now, it's just words. And Scott says this month and every month this year. So how I'm summing this all up and how I'm putting this together is that Microsoft is going to be starting this month and throughout the course of April to test these improvements and the changes. As mentioned, if you want more information, check the video out. It'll be linked. And that's going to be with the insiders first. And then from month to month throughout the course of this year, 2026, the upcoming Windows 11 features and improvements will be rolling out using a controlled feature rollout. So it's not going to be just one big update that Microsoft is going to push out to the general public. I would suggest that Microsoft will push out the new improvements at first with the optional bug fix C-release updates that are rolled out towards the end of every month, which will then become compulsory features with the Patch Tuesday updates that roll out on the second Tuesday of the month. So that will be on a controlled feature rollout where the Windows features will be enabled gradually in waves to ensure reliability. And that's according to this comment and this response over on X, this month and every month this year. So it looks like 2026 is going to be a big year in regards to Microsoft fixing Windows 11. And obviously, I'll try and keep you guys posted on the channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.